students, welcome to Elga online class. In the last class, we learned some letters, beginning songs, and we sang one song also and learned 3 whole word and read the story, picnic time, and we learned 6 vocabulary words and we have a homework also. Okay. Today in the phonic session, we learned 4 letters, sounds, and we learnt one rhyme also. Okay. Now go to the class. See the object, students. What is this? What is this? Yes, this is hammer. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? Yes, H. The name of the letter H. The name of the letter H. The sound of the letter H. The sound of the letter H. H. Hammer. H. Hammer. Okay. Hammer. The beginning sound H. Okay. The beginning sound H. Okay. See the another one. What is this? This is hand. This is hand. What is the beginning sound? H. Name of the letter H. H. Hand. H. Hand. It's clear? H. Hand. Okay. The first letter sound is H. Okay. The sound is H. The name of the letter H. The sound of the letter H. Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay. See this. What is this? This is jug. What is this, students? Jug. The name of the letter J. The name of the letter J. The sound of the letter J. Okay. J. J. Okay. The name of the letter J. The sound of the letter J. 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 It's clear? Now go to the next one. See this. What is this, students? This is umbrella. This is umbrella. It brings in the rainy season. Nowadays, rainy season, yes or no? Yes. It brings in the rainy season. Guess it? What is the beginning sound? The name of the letter, students? Yes, the name of the letter U. The name of the letter U. The sound of the letter A. The sound of the letter A. Okay? Umbrella. 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 Is that clear? Now go to the next one. See this. What is this? Yes, this is lion. This is lion. Name of the letter L. Name of the letter L. The sound of the letter L. The sound of the letter L. Okay? L. Lion. L. Lion. Okay? L. Lion. Is that clear? The phonic session, we learnt 4 letter sound. Okay? The first one is hammer, H. Second one is J. Third one is A. Last one is L. Okay? Now look at the slide. Okay. Students, in the last class we sang one song also. Today class we will sing the song. You can follow me. Okay? Students, listen carefully. Cool car, ka, ka, ka. Cool car, ka, ka. My mat, My mat, Annie ant, a. Annie ant, a. Tall table, ta, ta. Tall table, ta, ta. superstar, 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 superstar. Okay, now go to the next one. Red rose, red rose, red rose, red rose. Iggy insect, e, e, e. Iggy insect, e, e, e. Pink pig, pa, pa, pa. Pink pig, pa, pa, pa. Big bag, ba, ba, ba. Big bag, ba, ba, ba. Okay, now go to the next one. Fast fan, fast fan. Fast fan, fast fan. Orange oil, orange oil, orange oil, orange oil, green garden, green garden, g, g, g. Green garden, g, g, g. Okay, now go to the next one. Hard hand, ha, ha, ha. Hard hand, ha, ha, ha. Jumbo jack, ja, ja, ja. Jumbo jack, ja, ja. Ugly umbrella, ugly umbrella, loud line, loud line, loud line. Students, I hope all are listen this song. Okay, you also practice in your home. Okay, now go to the next one. Yes, this is your activity, students, and take a worksheet book. Okay, suppose you don't have it, please look at the screen. Okay, and put your finger. Circle the picture with the word beginning sound. Circle the picture with the word beginning sound. What is the meaning word? They given 3 pictures, students. First of all, you look at the picture. Okay, and say the beginning sound. Next, you will say the beginning sound. Which one is match it? The 2 pictures have same beginning sound, but one is different. So that is one word. Okay, you have circled this picture only. Okay, it's clear. Circle the picture with the word beginning sound. This is your question. See the first picture. What is the first picture? Man. What is the first picture? Man. What is the beginning sound? Man. Yes or no? Yes. Man. Second one. Mat. Second one. Mat. What is the beginning sound? Mat. Yes. The first picture and second picture both have same beginning sound. The beginning sound is okay. See the last one. Cat. What is the last one? Cat. What is the beginning sound? Cat. K. It is equal with the first and second one? No. This is different. So you have circled the third picture. It's clear. Okay. The given 3 pictures, students. The 2 pictures beginning sounds are same, but one is different. That is one word. So you have circled that picture only. Okay, it's clear. Now I show the next slide. You have checked the answer. Okay, see the next slide. Yes, the word one is last one, the cat. The first one and second one have same beginning sound. The sound is It's that clear? Okay, look at the slide carefully, students. Next I given homework. Okay, you also done this way. Okay. Yes, this is your homework. Please take your worksheet book and do the first one the same way. Okay, already first ones I done. You can follow the next one. Next 3 questions. Okay, the first one the method. Okay, next students. Next we go to the next session. What is the next session? Yes, the whole words. Okay, just look at the word and you can say the word. This is whole word. Okay. In the last class we learnt 3 whole words. The first one is pack. First one is pack. What is the meaning pack? Already I told in the last class. What is the meaning? Yes. That things, they set of things supplied together. Notice this, supplied together for a particular purpose. Okay, this meaning pack. The first whole word is pack, and second one is, what is the second one? Where. The second whole word is where. The second whole word is where. Where means what? Engage. Okay. Third one is some. S-O-M-E, some. What is the meaning some? In Tamil, sila. Okay, some. Okay. Today class we will learn 2 new whole words. Okay, 2 new whole words. The first whole word is going. The first whole word is going. What is the meaning going? Poitte irukka apdi solluvom illaya, going. The first whole word is going. Next we will see the examples. Say one example students for going, the whole word going. Okay, now I say first one example. We are going for a picnic. Going for a picnic. Where is the whole word going? There is comes after R. Here. Say another example. Where is everyone going? Where is everyone going? Everyone going. Where is everyone going? Where is the whole word? Yes, it's based on the last. Okay. The first whole word is going. Next we see the example. We are going for a picnic. Picnic means what? Excursion. Picnic. We are going for a picnic. Second one. Where is everyone going? Where is everyone going? Is that clear? Now look at the slide, students. Okay. Before you have the activity. Okay. Find the word. In the last class we learnt 3 whole words. Yes, the first one is pack, second one is where, third one is some. In this activity you have many words, but you will find the whole words. In that we learnt in the last class. Okay, look at the slide. Yes, they given many words. You will find the whole words, 3 whole words. Okay, first one pack. P-A-C-K, pack. Second one, sun, S-U-N, sun. Third one, uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Fourth one, leg, L-E-G, leg. Fifth one, jug, J-U-G, jug. Last one, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Which one is my whole word? Yes, the whole word is pack. You have circled the word. Okay, pack. P-A-C-K, pack. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Sun. S-U-N, sun. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Where? W-H-E-R-E, where? Okay. Students, look at the slide. Where is the whole word? Where. Where is the whole word? Where. Yes, it's placed on the last 6th one. So, you have circled the word where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Is that clear? You have circled the whole word, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. First one, C-A-K-E, cake. Some, S-O-M-E, some. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. King, K-I-N-G, king. Students, look at the slide. Where is the word? The whole word some? Yes, the second word. The second word. S-O-M-E, some. This is the whole word. You have circled this. Is that clear? Okay. Now go to the next one. Yes, today we will learn two whole word, students. The first one is going. The first word is going. G-O-I-N-G. Going. Next we will see the examples. Look at the slide. Where is everyone going? Where is everyone going? Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where is? I-S-S. Everyone. E-V-E-R-Y. O-N-E. Everyone. Going. G-O-I-N-G. Going. Where is everyone going? Is that clear? Where is everyone going? Now go to the next example. Yes, we are going for a picnic. We are going for a picnic. Sorry, we are going for a picnic. We, W-E-V, R, A-R-E, R, going, G-O-I-N-G, going. This is a whole word, students. So they boxed the whole word. Going. Next one, for, F-O-R, for. Yeah, picnic, P-I-C-N-I-C, picnic. We are going for a picnic. Is that clear? Now go to the next whole word. Look at the board, students. Students, the second whole word is for. F-O-R, for. Next we will see the examples. Okay. We are going for a picnic. We are going for a picnic. Where is the whole word? For. It comes after going. For, for. Is that clear? Next one. We have a snacks for a picnic time. We have a snacks. Snacks means what? Is tin pandangal. Tin pandangal. We have a snacks for a picnic time. Yes or no? Yes. We have a snacks for a picnic time. We have a snacks for a picnic time. That is a whole word. For. This comes after snacks. Before. Okay. We have a snacks for a picnic time. The second whole word is for. The second whole word is for. Next we see the example. The first one is we are going for a picnic. We are going for a picnic. The second one is we have a snacks for a picnic time. Then we have a snacks for a picnic time. Students, look at the slide. Yes, the second whole word is for. Okay. Next we will see the examples. The first example is we are going for a picnic. We are going for a picnic. W-E-V-R-A-R-E-R. Going. G-O-I-N-G. Going. For. F-O-R. For. Yeah. Picnic. P-I-C-N-I-C. Okay. Picnic. We are going for a picnic. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. We have a snacks for the picnic. Okay. We have a snacks for the picnic. W-E-V. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Snacks. S-N-A-C-K-S. Snacks. For. F-O-R. For. The. T-H-E. The. Picnic. P-I-C-N-I-C. Okay. We have snacks for the picnic. Okay. We have snacks for the picnic. Okay. Now go to the next one. Yes, this is your activity, students. Take a worksheet book. Suppose you don't have it, write on your notebook. Okay. Note on your notebook. Okay. Color the words you hear. Color the words you hear. Till we learnt today class, we learnt 2 whole words. The one is going. Second one is far. Last class we learnt 3 whole words. The first one is pack. Second one is bag. Third one is some. Okay. Till we learnt 5 whole words. Yes or no? Yes. In the whole words till we learnt 5 whole words. Pack, some, where, going, far. Okay. You have colored these 5 words. You have colored only these 5 whole words. The first whole word is pack. Yes. The first whole word is pack. Second whole word is where. Third one is some. Fourth one is going. Last one is far. Okay. Now I count that 10 seconds. You have to do this. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. This is your activity, students. Do this. Okay. In the evening time. Okay. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Yes. Reading and listening comprehension. Okay. We are going to the next session. Students, in the last class we read the story Picnic Time. Yes or no? Yes. The title of the story Picnic Time. Picnic time. Author? Who's the author? The person who has written in the story or a book. Okay. இந்த book எழுதினவங்களா இருக்கணும், இல்லனா அந்த ஸ்டோரியை ரைட் பண்ணவங்க அவங்கள என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Author. The person who has written the story or a book. Okay. Who's the author in the story Picnic Time? Yes, Komal Ramchandran. Okay, author Komal Ramchandani. Komal Ramchandani. Illustrator Hegde Menha. Illustrator Hegde Menha. Hegde Menha. Hegde Menha. Okay. Title of the story is Picnic Time. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustrator Hegde Menha. Yes. The author name is Komal Ramchandani and illustrator Hegde Menha. Okay. Now go to the story. Look at the slide, students. Yes. The title of the story Picnic Time. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustrator Hegde Menha. Okay. The first sentence. Priya packs some snacks. Okay. Priya packs some snacks. Look at the picture, students. What she is doing? She is packs some snacks. What she is doing? She packs some snacks. Snacks நம்ம பாணியில் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? தின்பண்டம், தீனி குடு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? தின்பண்டம். Yes. Priya packs some snacks. Is that clear? Priya packs some snacks. Now go to the next one, students. Yes. Kiran helps her pack some snacks. Who helps Riya? Who helps Riya? Yes, Kiran. Kiran helps her pack some snacks. Kiran என்ன பண்றா? ரியாக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றா. என்ன பேக் பண்ண? some snacks பேக் பண்றதுக்கு she is help her. Okay? Kiran helps her pack some snacks. Kiran helps her pack some snacks. Yes. Now go to the next one. What do you see in this picture? She is packing some drinks. Yes, she is packing some drinks. Drinks means like cool drinks or water. Okay. Riya packs some drinks. Riya enna pandra? Some drinks are pack pandra. Riya packs some drinks. Once again read the second page, students. Kiran helps her pack some snacks. Kiran helps her pack some snacks. Now go to the third page. Riya packs some drinks. Yes, Riya packs some drinks. Okay, is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes, Rishi helps her pack some drinks. What did you see in this picture? They are packing some drinks. They are packing some drinks like cool drinks or water. Okay, Rishi helps her pack some drinks. Rishi helps her pack some drinks. Is that clear? Now go to the fifth page. Riya packs some games. Students, look at the picture. Riya hold one plate like this. What is this? See the picture. Riya hold one plate. Yes, this is one type of game, students. The game name is Brispy. The game name is Brispy. Okay, this is one kind of game, Brispy. Is that clear? Okay. Riya packs some games. Riya packs some games. Once again, read the fourth page. Rishi helps her pack some drinks. Okay. Now go to the fifth page. Riya packs some games. Riya packs some games. Is that clear? Now go to the next page. Yes. What do you see in this picture? They are playing with some things. Okay, some playthings. They are playing with some playthings. Okay. Aman helps her pack some games. Aman helps her pack some games. Okay, Aman help பண்றா யாருக்கு? Aman helps her pack some games. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. What do you see in this picture? Riya. What do you see in this picture, ma? Yes, Riya pack plates. Pack some plates. What is the use of plate? Yes, it's used for eating food. Okay. Why we using the silver plate, students? Do you know? Okay. I will tell the answer in the vocabulary session. Vocabulary word session. Okay. Okay. Riya packs some plates. Riya packs some plates. Now go to the next one. Yes. Rohan helps her pack some plates. Rohan helps her pack some plates. Rohan helps her pack some plates. Is that clear? Now go to the next picture. What is it, students? See the picture. What he is doing? Yes, he is for something. Yes or no? Yes. This is quilt method. Okay, bedding. Bedding made of 2 layers. Okay, bedding made of 2 layers. Made of stuffing and stitched together. Okay, made of 2 layers and stuffing and cloth stitched with together. Okay, method. Nalla woolen kullaya nalla bunch. It is used for sitting and eating food on the picnic time. In the picnic time. Okay. Riya packs here quilt. Okay. Quilt. Once again read the 8th page. Rohan helps her pack some plates. Last one. Riya packs here quilt. Okay. Govind helps her pack a quilt. Govind helps her pack a quilt. Okay. Govind வந்து help பண்றான் ரியாக்கு. So pack a quilt. Help பண்றான். Now go to the last picture. Okay. See the last picture, students. What do you see in this picture? They are ready. Okay. They are ready. They are going to some picnic or whatever it is. Okay. They see the 11th page. Where is everyone going? Do you know the answer? Where is everyone going? Yes, they are going for a picnic. They are going for a picnic. Where is everyone going, students? They are going to a picnic. They are going for a picnic. Okay. The answer is picnic. Now go to the next one. We are going for a picnic. நாங்க எல்லாரும் எங்க போறோம்? Picnic போறோம். We are going for a picnic. Look at the slide, students. We are going for a picnic. Is that clear? I hope all are understood this story. Okay. Now go to the next one. Students, in the last class we learnt 6 vocabulary words. Today class we revise the 6 vocabulary words. Is that clear? Okay. What is the first one, students? What is the first vocabulary word? First one, picnic. First one, picnic. Discussion. Okay. Second one is snacks. Second one is snacks. Third one, drinks. Fourth one, plates. Fifth one, quilt. Sixth one, everyone. Okay. The first vocabulary word is picnic. Second one is snacks. Third one is drinks. Fourth one is plates. Fifth one is quilt. Last one is everyone. Okay. Now look at the slide, students. The first vocabulary word is picnic. See the slides carefully, students. Picnic. Okay. Picnic. First one is picnic. Now go to the next one. Snacks. What is in this picture? Samosa, burger, chips packet. We have a snacks for a picnic time. Yes. Picnic போனா நம்ம என்ன எடுத்துட்டு போவோம்? Snacks எடுத்துறோம். Why? Enjoy the picnic. Snacks. நமக்கு பிடிச்ச ஸ்நாக்ஸ்லாம் ஈட் பண்ணிட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவோம். Second one is snacks. Second vocabulary word is snacks. Now go to the next one. Drinks. Okay. Cool drinks or water. Okay. Drinks. Institution போகும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Drinks எல்லாம் pack பண்ணிட்டு போவோம். Drinks. Third one is drinks. plates. Why we use silver plate ma? Yes, it is help for germ protection. அது எது help பண்ணும் நமக்கு? Silver. Okay. So we will use silver plate. Germ protection வந்து எது காப்பாத்தணும் நமக்கு? Silver. Okay. Protect பண்ணும் நமக்கு silver. Next one, quilt. Next one is quilt. Quilt. Last one is everyone. Ellorum. Everyone. Last one is everyone. Ellorum. Okay. Yes. This is your activity, students. Okay. Draw and label on the topic. I am going for a picnic. Label means what? Write the names. Label means already told in the last class. Yes. Label means write the names. Draw and label on the topic. I am going for a picnic. Is that clear? Students, in this class, in the phonics session, we learnt 4 letter sounds. We sang one song also. You can practice in your home, students. Okay. Next, whole word session, we learnt 2 whole words. The reading and listening comprehension. We read the one story, picnic time, and we learnt 6 vocabulary words. I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, students. Take care.